One is to come over to Cloudways. This is a cloud hosting platform. This is a platform where business owners and entrepreneurs will come to get hosting for their websites. And it works pretty nice. It offers simplicity and joy's worry-free experience and performance that scales. So they have lots of different features that other platforms don't. And it's just the perfect web hosting platform. But don't worry, you don't need a website for this. And you will not be buying hosting on this platform. It's nothing like that. There's one simple feature of this website that's going to allow you to make lots of money on complete autopilot, and you will see exactly how to set it up properly. And you can see today I also work with some massive brands. And they have massive partners from the business space, not the mansion, but they also have 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. So people definitely love them. Anyways, the step number of views, which you will need to complete in order to start making money with Cloudways, is to click on the affiliates right here, click affiliate, and that's going to take you over to their affiliate program. So by promoting Cloudways as an affiliate, you can earn hundreds of dollars and get paid instantly. Like take a look at this, they will be paying you instant commissions, get high commissions instantly on every customer you refer. The more you refer, the more you earn. And you can also double your earnings and earn $125 per person that you refer. And if you calculate that, if you refer 5 people, your total estimated earnings are $250, which may not seem like a lot, but if you start referring more and more people, you can actually make quite a bit of money with this blog. For him, just by referring 46 to 80 different customers, you will make around $10,000 just for referring 46 to 80 people, and the traffic sources which I'm about to give you get to literally bring you 1,000s of new people for absolutely free and unencumbered autopilot. So stay tuned for that. Now, besides being your instant commissions, they also have flexible models, plus you will be earning with consistency. So this is not a place where you only come to earn once and then never again, where you can actually build a real business around this and earn money on average every single week, every single month, and every single year, have some income to rely on. And I mean, you can do this either from your laptop or even just with your smartphone device only. So it's really good, and we should definitely take advantage of this affiliate program. The way it works is you will join. I will show you how you will start promoting. I will also explain to you the best way to do it. And then you will finally start earning money and you will get paid instantly. Now, before you start making money with this app, you will need to sign up to their affiliate program, so click Become an Affiliate right here. Now you can either sign up with LinkedIn, GitHub, or Google, or you can just manually sign them by entering your first and last name, by entering your email address. Then just simply describe yourself, agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, after reading them by clicking on some of these 2 buttons, and hit Start Free. Just sign up for free. Once you're signed up for absolutely free, you will confirm your email. You will go through your account right here, click Account, then you will select your country, and as you can see, they accept people from all over the world. So if your country is on this list, chances are it's going to work for you as well. As you can see, all countries are accepted. So just select your country. Once you are here on the left-hand side, you will be able to see affiliate programs. Now you will fill out these details and you will sign up to their affiliate program. So you will select how you want to get paid, whether that's PayPal or funds transfer. I personally prefer PayPal settlements like PayPal. I will enter my PayPal email address right here and will not fill out more details about myself. I will agree with the Cloudways affiliate program terms and conditions. And now we'll click Create Your Affiliated Profile. It's as simple as that, and they will probably accept you in a matter of seconds. Now you will just need to start driving traffic to this cloud hosting platform through your referral link. And what a better way to do it is by installing an absolutely free screen recorder. So to get the absolutely free traffic, you will need to go over to screencast-o-matic.com. This is over at screencast-o-matic.com. This is an absolutely free screen recorder which you can install to your computer. If you're using your smartphone device, however, you can just go over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for free screen recorders, and install some free of charge. You can find lots of high-quality screen recorders that are absolutely free. You will not have to pay for anything. And the reason you want to do it is because I wanted to make simple YouTube videos like this. So you can create videos like the best event hosting platform or best web hosting services. And those videos will be watched by people that are strictly interested in buying some web hosting platform and people that are interested in paying for those web hosting platforms. So I don't want you to become a YouTuber whatsoever. And you also don't have to show your face at all. That's why you are installing an absolutely free screen recorder. So you can just record your screen, and you can just go through Cloudways like for example like this, just the video you're watching right now. You open up your screen recorder like I am right now and I'm recording with OBS Project that is also an absolutely free screen recorder, then go through Cloudways and explain why this is the best web hosting platform. And I mean, you can learn a lot from their sales page alone. So you can basically just revolve what you're seeing on the screen, go through the platform and explain to people how they can start using it. And for a better tutorial, and for a better user experience, you can also just sign up to their free trial. No credit card is required. And you will not have to pay for anything, just sign up for their free trial. So you can show your viewers how it works and how it looks on the inside. Another way you can do it is by searching for top web hosting platforms. You will be able to come across Bluehost or HostGator, and so on and so forth. So what you can simply do is you can make a simple YouTube video like which platform is better, Bluehost or Cloudways or HostGator versus Cloudways. And then explain why Cloudways is better, and why they should use your affiliate link from the description. So the entire process is really simple. It goes like this: to get free traffic, you will start with step number 1, which is installing an absolutely free screen recorder. Then you will proceed to step number 2, which is filming the actual video. So you will go over to Cloudways, you will go through the platform, and you will talk for like 3 to 4 minutes why this is the perfect cloud hosting platform. And after that, you will just go over to YouTube, and you will publish it if it takes no more than 10 minutes to finish all of it. And these videos will stay on YouTube forever. And as I said, you do not need a lot of followers, you do not need 1,000 of subscribers. In fact, you can start this with 0 subscribers, because you're not here to earn any money from the ad revenue or whatsoever. You're here to publish the best web hosting review. So people that are searching for this can click on your video to learn why Cloudways is so good and use your affiliate link, and each person that clicks on your affiliate link and sign-ups will make you $125.05, and it's only $600.10 for people that's $12.100, and so on and so forth. You can actually earn a lot of money from this, because these videos are getting 1,000 of views. For example, this one got 6,610 views, which may not seem like a lot, like you can actually earn a lot of money from the revenue. You will probably earn no money from the ad revenue, blood from affiliate sales. And from an affiliate perspective, those 6,610 viewers are super targeted, because they are searching best of every hosting platform on YouTube because they are interested in buying one and they already have the money ready. They're just deciding which platform they're going to opt in for, and now you're telling them you're helping them by providing them with the information that Cloudways is the best web hosting platform, and you are leaving your affiliate link in the description. It's simple as that, and it's even you're helping those people, so they will be thankful, and you will be also thankful because you will be earning those commissions on incomplete autopilot. This is something that you will do only once and can make you money on complete autopilot for the next few months, if not even years. This is a huge passive income machine. So just play around with different ideas for those YouTube videos, and you can definitely create something pretty decent. And there are a lot of other traffic sources which you can use as well. You can use any other social media platform. If you don't want to use YouTube, you can also use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Reddit. Or maybe you can even go through LinkedIn, Quora, or Answers.com. Those are also really good traffic sources. We can get 1,000 of targeted people. For example, you can go over to Quora.com, which is a platform where people go through and ask and answer different questions, and you can search for what is the best hosting platform. And you can see all of these people asking this question, and this is the evergreen question. So you can reply to all of those people and explain them in simple words why Cloudways is the best web hosting platform, and just leave your affiliate link over there. Besides Quora.com, you can also use Answers.com, which is a simple alternative which is also being visited by millions of people all around the world, so you can get a lot of traffic from this. Just don't make excuses. They can massive action and start promoting Cloudways, because you can earn some pretty decent amount of money online from this. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop like it or leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button with notifications on so you won't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.